Hello everyone, today we are going to make an origami balloon. You will need a square piece of paper. Alright, let's get started. First, fold these two corners together. Unfold. Fold the other two corners together. Unfold. Turn it over. Fold the top and bottom edges together. Unfold. Fold the left and right edges together. Unfold. Then turn it over. Rotate it. Pinch these two corners with both hands. Fold it like this. Form a triangle. Rotate it. Pinch this corner. Fold it to this corner. Fold this corner to this corner. Turn it over. Fold this corner to this corner. Pinch this corner. Fold it to this corner. Now it forms a small square. Take a look. Rotate it. Fold this point to the center. Fold the top point to the center. Rotate it. Fold this point to the center. Then fold along this line. Fold this point to this point. Fold outwards. Turn it over. Fold it the same way as before. Rotate it. Fold this point to the center. Rotate it. Fold this point to the center. Rotate it again. Fold this corner to the center. Fold outwards again. Fold this point to the center. Then fold outwards again. Now it looks like this. Open up this part. Tuck the triangle inside. Rotate it. Open up the bottom triangle. Tuck the triangle inside. Turn it over. Open up this triangle. Tuck the triangle inside. Open up the top triangle. Tuck the triangle inside. Flip this to the left. Flip this to the left as well. Now it looks like this. Now you need to blow into it. Blow and pinch at the same time. Now our paper balloon is complete. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more amazing content.